In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use ruler guides in Adobe Photoshop. Ruler guides are one of those simple Photoshop features that can make a big difference in how clean and organized your designs look. If you want better alignment, more consistent spacing, and a smoother workflow overall, this is a great tool to get comfortable with. To get started, you first need to make sure the rulers are visible in your workspace. Go up to the View menu and click Rulers. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and R on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, you'll see rulers appear along the top and left side of your canvas. These give you a visual measurement system that makes it easier to place elements accurately. Once the rulers are visible, you can create a guide by clicking directly on one of them and dragging onto your canvas. If you drag from the top ruler, you'll create a horizontal guide. If you drag from the ruler on the left, you'll create a vertical guide. As you move the guide into place, Photoshop lets you position it exactly where you need it. Guides are especially useful when you're trying to line up text, images, shapes, or other design elements. They help you keep everything visually balanced and can save time when you're working on layouts that need precision. Whether you're building a social media graphic, a web design, or any other visual project, guides can help you stay organized. If the guide isn't exactly where you want it the first time, that's completely fine. You can easily move it. Just select the Move tool by pressing V on your keyboard. Then click and drag the guide to a new position. This makes it easy to adjust your layout as your design develops, without having to start over. Another helpful thing to know is that you can hide or show all of your guides without deleting them. To do that, press Ctrl and semicolon on your keyboard. This is useful when you want to check how your design looks without the visual overlay of the guides, and then bring them back whenever you need them again. Ruler guides are a simple but powerful way to create cleaner, more accurate designs in Photoshop. Once you start using them regularly, they can really improve your efficiency and help your projects look more polished. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.